Today in Cooking with Tammy, I'm going to show you how to make delicious air fryer sweet chili wings. I just want you to know that this recipe is not limited to only utilizing an air fryer. We're going to need salt, ground black pepper, onion powder, smoked paprika, garlic powder, chili powder, apple cider vinegar, reduced sodium soy sauce. Why am I yelling reduced sodium soy sauce? Because we're going to be seasoning our chicken with salt. However, if you don't have the reduced sodium soy sauce, feel free to omit the salt. We also have some light brown sugar along with distilled vinegar, minced garlic, red chili flakes, water, oil, and of course, last but not least, we have our wings. So without further ado, let's get to cooking. Whenever I make an air fryer anything, I usually like to preheat my air fryer to the recommended or suggested time and temperature according to the manual. However, every air fryer is absolutely different, so feel free to refer to the manual instructional guide to set your air fryer. I'm going to start off with drizzling some oil onto our chicken. For this recipe, use whatever oil you prefer. We are about to combine all of the seasonings together, so I'm adding the salt to the ground black pepper, garlic powder, followed by the smoked paprika, and onion powder, and last but not least, good old chili powder. Once we're done, we're going to get in there, we're going to mix it up really good. Use your finger, why not? Shake it around until everything is well combined. This seasoned-based blend pairs perfectly with any chicken recipe, whether it be Thai wings, hot wings, buffalo wings. It's just the perfect complement. Mix it up really good. Make sure every piece of chicken is perfectly seasoned. If it ain't, then you're not doing your job. So let's get to combining and let's get to mixing. Quick tip, if you opt to bake your wings in the oven, all you have to do is get a baking sheet, line it with aluminum foil if you want to be mess-free, of course. Add a cooling rack on top, add your chicken wings, place it into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and allow it to cook on both sides. Flip it from time to time and boom, you're done. You want to add it to the deep fryer, definitely fry it on up until it's crispy to your likeness and you're done. Let's add some non-stick cooking spray to the grill. Now that our air fryer is up to temperature and it's nice and hot, we're going to take our wings and place it into the air fryer. The air fryer works by blowing hot air all around the food, and if you stack it together, it's not going to be nice and crispy. Instead, it's going to be mushy, not to mention it may not be cooked all the way through. After adding our wings, we're going to hit it off with a little oil. Close it on down. At 360 degrees Fahrenheit, I'm going to give the wings about 15 to 16 minutes on each side. If that's not enough, then of course, I'm going to allow it to cook some more. To a saucepan, we're going to start off with adding our water, followed by our apple cider vinegar, distilled vinegar, reduced sodium soy sauce. We're also going to add our crushed red chili flakes and our minced garlic. And last but not least, our light brown sugar. We're going to get in there with our spatula and mix it up really good. Make sure everything is perfectly combined. So it's important that you get in there, mix it up really good. At this time, our heat is on medium. Once it starts to reduce, it's going to thicken up. After about 10 minutes, as you can see, our sauce is nice and bubbly. In the meanwhile, let's check on these wings. Woo! These wings right here, they are starting to look absolutely perfect. Flip it on over to the other side. At 360 degrees Fahrenheit, I'm going to give the wings about 15 to 16 minutes on each side. The good thing about having an air fryer is you can always open it up to see if it's crispy to your liking. And if it's not, you can always close it back down and allow it to do its thing. Our sauce has the perfect consistency going on. Our chicken is perfectly fried on up. Hear that crispiness? We're going to add our wings to the saucy sauce. Yes, we are. And we're going to toss it around in the sauce, coat it really good. Make sure the wings are perfectly coated with the sauce. Let me tell you something, guys. This sauce right here is nothing to play with. It is absolutely delicious. And the cool thing about it is, guess what? We use basic ingredients and we made our own Thai chili sauce. Yes, we did. Go ahead and pat yourself on the shoulder because you definitely did this. We're going to get these beautiful sweet chili style wings onto a plate. Check it out. Check it out. Woo! Look at all of that sauce just dripping. If you don't try this recipe, I don't know what's wrong with you. I'm telling you, this recipe right here is finger licking good. literally. Serve it on up with whatever sauce you prefer, whether it be ranch sauce, whatever dipping sauce, blue cheese, or you want to eat it by itself, you can definitely do that. But just know one thing, these wings are absolutely delicious. And how do you know that? Because I ate one off camera. As always, I'm your girl cooking with Tammy, and I will definitely catch you in another video. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.